How are you living? I'm Dr. Bond, back doctor in Shell Harbour. Yeah. Do you have forward head posture? Well, first of all, what is it? It's where your ear sits forward of your shoulder. What causes forward head posture? Well, there's many causes, but these are one of the main concerns. Obviously, time in front of a laptop and a desktop, and everything else that you do where your body is bent forward. Forward head posture can lead to a host of issues such as neck pain, headaches, tight stiff shoulders, lower back pain, low energy, fatigue, with some people a big hump at the back of their neck. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, I highly recommend that you take a look at our 8 free simple hacks to fix forward head posture. Simply click the access button now, leave your name, your email, and you'll have access instantly. We're here to help you feel good, look great, and have better function. I'm Dr. Bond. Have an awesome day.